Most people say they are tired. But if you listen carefully, it is not the body that is tired, it is the mind. You wake up in the morning, and before your feet touch the floor, your brain has already started a list. What you didn't finish yesterday, what you must fix today, what you must fix today, what you should become tomorrow. Even when nothing is happening, you feel late, you feel behind, you feel like life is standing somewhere else, waiting for the better version of you to arrive. So you keep walking, faster, more harder. And then one day, you stop and ask quietly, why doesn't it feel like I'm living? It's not because your life is wrong. It's because you have been living in your head, not in your body. You call it planning, self-improvement, being responsible. But deep inside, it is fear. Fear of being useless, fear of being left behind, fear of not mattering. So you hold yourself tight, just like someone holding a rope that doesn't exist. You hold your emotions, you hold your tears, you hold your dreams, you hold your words, and then you wonder why your chest feels heavy. But the river does not hold itself. The wind does not stop to control its direction. The sky does not try to stay blue. Only humans do this. We turn every moment into a test, every feeling into a question, every silence into a problem to solve. We even turn peace into a task. I must relax. I must heal. I must let go. But do you see the joke? The one trying to relax is the same one creating the tension. Let me ask you something simple. When was the last time you sat in a room and didn't try to become anything? No phone, no goals, no improvement. Just your breathing and the quiet. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Your mind starts looking for something to fix. But if you stay long enough, something else appears. A softness, a memory of yourself before the world told you who to be. A time when you didn't need to prove anything, and yet you were still here, still breathing, still alive, still worthy. You see, you were never supposed to earn existence. You already belong to it, the same way a wave belongs to the ocean, but the wave forgot. It thought it was alone. So it started to worry, how big am I? How long will I last? What if I disappear? And in that fear, it forgot it was water. And you also forgot. You forgot that your thoughts are not who you are, that your past is not your identity, that your mistakes are not your soul. You are not the story in your head. You are the space that hears the story. You are not the storm, you are the sky, and the sky does not need to become better. It simply holds everything. Pain will still come, loss will still come, but they do not have to turn into suffering, because suffering is not in the pain. Suffering is in the sentence, this should not be happening. The moment you stop fighting reality, reality becomes lighter. You don't have to love everything. You only have to stop judging it so quickly. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is, maybe this is part of the story of me. Not good, not bad, just part. And when you stop labeling every moment, life begins to feel softer again. You laugh without forcing it. You cry without apologizing. You breathe without rushing. And slowly you return, not to a new version of yourself, but to the one that was always there, waiting.